Well, we are back on our eastern public land unit here this evening. It's November 6th. There's been tons of bucks on this trail camera moving through, but every time we come down here, we just don't see anything. It's getting kind of frustrating. But we've seen a couple does last week, but that was it down here. But there's been tons of different bucks on the trail camera, but nothing moving through while we've been here. It's getting to be a little bit of a frustrating year, although this past weekend we had a couple close encounters with some bucks. One was big enough to shoot, never got close enough. So hopefully tonight we start to get things turned around. But beautiful evening here tonight. We'll, as usual, sit back, see what happens. Well, we've been sitting here for 45 minutes, half an hour or something, and just had a doe come running into the trees just off to my left from the bean field. I didn't see her. She must have come down from over the top, I'm guessing. You might be able to hear behind me. There's somebody on a dirt bike or something taking it for a spin. So I'm guessing she got scared from wherever that guy's at. Well, we're back down here on our eastern public land unit tonight. Last time we were down here, we had a buck come out right at the end of shooting light. So hopefully the bucks are still moving through here. Hope to get a shot at something coming through. So November 9th, so the rut should be right in the middle of the rut right now. So hopefully we get some bucks cruising for some does here tonight. We'll see what happens. Well, as you can probably tell, we're not on public land this morning. It is November 11th, opening day of firearm season here in Nebraska, and we're not hunting on public land this morning. We don't do the rifle season stuff on public land for some obvious reasons, but we have a little bit of private land that our uncle owns, and then a friend of ours lets us hunt on his land too, so it's not real big, not anything special, but it's a place to go rifle hunt. So we're out this morning, a little bit chilly. A little bit of a mist, but I have seen a total of 0 deer this morning, but it seems like everybody around me must be seeing deer the way they're shooting. So I'll sit here for a little bit and see if anything comes through. Doesn't look good so far, but you never know. With rifle season, deer get bumped and pushed around. So sit back this morning, see what happens. Well, it's about 9 o'clock or so, and just got a text message from my dad. So we're gonna pack up now, head that way, see if we can't help him get on the blood trail and find that buck. So that's good news, because I haven't seen anything at all this morning. So we'll, like I said, pack up, head that way.
By the time I thought, oh, it looks like a doe. I grabbed my binoculars off the chair, and it was behind that tree already, so right through here, that little opening, I could see it was a buck. It's like, oh, it looks like a decent buck. So he worked their way down that way, and I thought he was by himself, because I thought I just didn't see the antlers before. And he's in behind all that trash back there, so I grunted. Next thing, she comes shooting up out of the bottom there, stood up there on that little plateau.
The first one.
Yeah, on this little plateau here, on this side of those 3 little bunches.
Yeah.
Just looking back this way, and next thing he come out behind her was over there by that dead tree, farthest to the right.
Yeah.
That little short one.
Yeah.
But he was still behind some of this trash. So I waited and waited and waited.
Was he looking at,
They were all both looking this
grunts,
way.
yeah.
And when he cleared this little bit of trash on that tree and stood there for a minute, I seen him. I didn't really see the shot he hit, but when I seen he kind of was down like that,
Yeah.
and he just kind of trotted off right over here.
He's right there.
Right here, he didn't go 20 yards. Right here.
Hold on, my kid.
Well, it's opening day rifle season in Nebraska here. Usually I'm behind that camera filming my boys, but today I lucked out. I had a doe come through with this buck chasing it. And we've had quite a drought here over the past 3 or 4 years. So it's pretty nice to spend the time in the field with the boys and come away with something like this. So we're going to get him drug up there at field dressed and hauled back home. The work begins. The fun's over.